We are at the sea ice edge, waiting for the news that the sea ice coverage has reached its lowest point for this summer. The trend is absolutely clear. The Arctic sea ice is disappearing before our eyes at a much faster rate than experts predicted even 10 years ago. Sea ice plays a very crucial role in regulating the global climate, and scientists are quite concerned that the loss of Arctic sea ice can increase future climate warming and change the incidence and strength of extreme events. The science is quite clear that climate change could mean more frequent and more intense typhoons. And it is countries like my home country, the Philippines, that feel the immediate impacts of climate change. Super Typhoon Haiyan, the strongest ever typhoon to make landfall in my country, is just an example of what is to come in the future. It has been deemed quite clear that the chief cause of climate change is the burning of fossil fuels. As such, if we are to avert the most catastrophic climate impacts, we must rapidly transition to a clean energy future and abandon crazy ideas like oil drilling here in the Arctic. As the Arctic plays a vital role in regulating the global climate, it is imperative on world leaders and governments in the climate negotiations to put the issue of the Arctic and saving what we have here at the center of the discussion. Coming from a typhoon-ravaged country, the Philippines, going here to the Arctic is like connecting the dots. Very clear and bold dots of climate change. What happens here in the Arctic does not stay in the Arctic.